Hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here. So today's video is all about this right here. This is a wireless microphone setup that is a duo wireless microphone setup for your smartphone. So if you do content creation with your smartphone, for example, right now I'm recording my iPhone 13 Pro and the video looks great, but the audio, in my opinion, kind of sucks. And I'm in a closed door environment. I'm an arm's length away from my phone. And this is the audio you're getting from a $1,200 iPhone 13 Pro. So if you're using something a little bit cheaper, maybe the video is not terrible, but the audio might not be as great because all mics aren't created equal. But with this checks a lot of boxes and is one of the easier recommendations I can give because I've tested a ton of microphones that are like this, and this is the first one I actually don't mind doing a video on. So let's show you what comes inside the packaging. I don't want to drag this video out too much because I want to get to actually plugging this in for you so that way you're not having to listen to crap audio from my iPhone 13 Pro. So inside the packaging, you get this little neoprene little bag with a little pouch in the back. Inside the neoprene bag, you do get two USB-C to Type-A charging cables. And inside, you do get this right here. So we get two transmitters, which are extremely tiny. They look like little lip gloss or something, I don't know. But I think it said they're 2 inches by 0.6 inches. So this is extremely small. I mean, my thumb is bigger than this. It has a little clip. You got a USB-C charging port there, power button, and then your microphone top there. And that's it. Very simple, very simplistic design here. There is no LCD screens, nothing like that. This is the actual receiver. It's got a USB-C charging port as well. It has the male end of the lightning port there, or cable, excuse me, and that's it. And then you do get two little phone screens if you wanted to use it outside. So if you clipped it on and put this on here, it's gonna help with your audio if you are in a windy environment. But this whole setup right here is $80, and it's two microphones, and then of course, like I said, the receiver. They do have a single version that's like $25 less, so $50 roughly, which is insane in my opinion still. It's 2.4 gigahertz. The USB-C version is also basically the exact same, except the only difference is you get a USB-C male end instead of a lightning cable, and then that's it. So what you do is you literally just plug this into your lightning port. So you plug it into your phone, the power from your phone powers this, and then you literally just push power and it automatically syncs, and that's it. That's all you got to do. There is no 3.5 millimeter jack on here, so unfortunately you can't plug in a lavalier mic, but the whole point is that it's so tiny, I can just clip it into my shirt and you will never see it really. So like I said, very, very discreet. So let's go ahead and plug in the actual receiver, and let's instantly show you how much better your audio can sound just by simply plugging this in and turning this on, and that's it. All right, so now I have this plugged in. I have it just clipped onto my shirt right here. Now I decided just to put it here instead of inside my shirt so you can actually see it here. But like I said, I just have it clipped to my shirt, nothing special. But like I said, I just power it on, I plug it in, that's it. Like literally that's all you got to do. And just for fun, I'm gonna actually show you what it looks like installed. So let me get my phone here and let's record it. So as you can see right there, this is exactly what it looks like. I just have it plugged in to my iPhone 13 Pro there. You can see the blue indicator there. So that's the power that you're receiving. As soon as you plug it in, it turns on. And then literally put it on my shirt right there. And you got the blue light right there. And that is it. So insane value. But like I said, the audio, in my opinion, is way better. And what I really love about wireless microphones is the versatility that they give you. Now this, I can get about 150, 165 feet away from the phone. As long as I have a clear path, I'm going to be able to walk away and never lose reception. and the audio is going to sound good, just like if I'm sitting right here or if I'm on the other side of my house. The whole point though is with microphones that you mount on your phone, they're very omnidirectional, right? So if you turn away from them or you walk away or whatever, the audio instantly downgrades a lot because you're not in front of that microphone. That's why I really like wireless microphones, because you can get good audio, but you don't have to just be in front of the mic. You can walk away. Like I said, I could not do this. I could not turn my back and still have decent sounding audio from a regular shotgun mic, for example, unless I had it boomed over me. But even if I had it boomed over me, I still need it close, out of frame, but close. But if I walk away or turn my head, it's still not going to sound that good. But like I said, for $50 to $80, this is a no-brainer in my opinion for content creators that use their smartphones. And like I said, you can use it for Android or iPhone. They both have them in stock on their website right now, which I will link down in the description. I'm not getting any kickbacks or anything like that from Movo, so this is my honest to God opinion, guys. Now, obviously, audio is subjective, so you tell me down in the description, what do you think? Does this sound good? Does it sound better, obviously, than the iPhone? I think it does, but maybe you don't. I don't know. But the point is this is the easiest recommendation, in my opinion, that I can give for wireless mics. So hit that like button if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe. Ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe. God bless. See you on the next one.